Shredded potatoes seem very simple. In fact, there are many ways. I'd like to share one with you today. A new approach to shredded potatoes with a tomato. It's sour and delicious after serving. Appetizer. Follow my video next. Let's see how it is done together. First, we prepare a potato and a tomato. Peel the potatoes with a peeler first. When we are choosing potatoes, to choose this white potato. This kind of potato is crisper, suitable for stir-fried shredded potatoes. Next, we slice the potatoes. No need to cut too thin, but try to cut it evenly. Then the potatoes are finely shredded. Friends who can't cut silk can use a silk wiper. After all are cut, put it in a larger bowl. Add some water to the bowl. Soak the shredded potatoes first. Wash off the excess potato starch on top. Next, we prepare a tomato. First, put a cross knife on the tomato. Then put it into a large bowl. Pour a little more boiling water into the bowl. No tomatoes. Scalding with boiling water for a few minutes. Next, prepare 2 green peppers. Cut in half first. After seeding, cut into filaments. Cut some green peppers to increase the spiciness. You can light up some more colors. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Next, prepare a small piece of ginger. Slice. Then cut the ginger into shredded ginger. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. Prepare some shallots. Cut the scallion white and scallion leaves separately. After cutting, put it in a bowl for later use. By this time, our tomatoes have been ironed. We peel the tomatoes off by hand. Because tomato skins don't boil, putting it in will affect the taste. In this way, it is very convenient to scald and peel with boiling water. Put the peeled tomatoes on the cutting board. Cut it in half. Then remove the hard heart in the middle. Then cut the tomatoes into smaller pieces. Cut it all and put it in a bowl for later use. We will wash the soaked shredded potatoes by hand. Wash off the starch on top. Then change to another large bowl. Just rinse it with water again. If you want the fried potato shells to be tender and crispy, this step is crucial. If there is too much starch, it's easy to stick when fried, and it doesn't taste crispy enough. After washing, control the moisture and set aside for later use. Next, add an appropriate amount of cooking oil to the pot. After the oil is hot, pour the ginger and green onion down and fry until fragrant. Add the diced tomatoes after. Keep stirring. Tomato juice. You can press it with a shovel. Fry the tomato juice. It tastes sour this way. Next, add a spoonful of salt, a little chicken essence. Other seasonings do not need to be put in. This will make the tomatoes more juicy. After frying, add the shredded potatoes. The shredded green peppers also put down, then turn to high heat and quickly stir-fry evenly. Just turn on the fire and stir-fry quickly to make the fried shredded potatoes more crispy. Dear friends, you can see the video here. If you think my video, if it helps you, please extend your rich hand and give me a like. Your every message and forwarding is what keeps me going. Thank you all for your support and encouragement. Finally, we fried all the shredded potatoes until they were soft. Add a spoonful of balsamic vinegar before serving. Such a delicious hot and sour potato shredded is ready to go. Load to disk. Finally, sprinkle it with sexy scallions. You can enjoy it beautifully. Shredded potatoes are really delicious. It's not enough to fry a big plate at a time. If you also feel it's good, collect it and try it. Like my video. Remember to like and follow the message and forward it. See you in the next video. Thank you for your support.